From the first day I arrived to Kurdistan, I fell in love with local food. Here is a small warning. This video will make you hungry. The local breakfasts are so rich, full of flavors and kept me full for nearly 2 days. They often consist of gaymer dibis, a cream served with date syrup, Kahi, a pastry with honey, full a bean dip, then a lentil soup, hummus, eggs and much more. Meat is the #1 ingredient here, with dishes that surprise me. Both testicles, sheep brains and guts are all on the menu. Dolma, vegetable stuffed with meat and rice, and masgouf, a traditional carp fish eaten here for centuries, are among the most popular meals.
1 hour, it's good. Then it's on firewood.
Apparently, masgouf even led to the capture of Saddam Hussein in 2003. It's said that he risked exposure just to enjoy his favorite meal. Kurds have a deep love for anything green, and I was surprised that unripe fruit is often eaten. Even fresh pistachios like this, or these nuts belonging to the same family. In spring, these green, unripe almonds are among the most favorite snacks. Dried nuts are here both a tasty source of energy and a bargain. Let's not forget all the delicious Middle Eastern sweets filled with pistachios, walnuts, or topped with aromatic rosewater. And of course, ubiquitous shisha and cigarettes needs to be mentioned. No wonder everyone smokes here. The cheapest pack of cigarettes costs just $50. Every night in local cafes, people gather to play cards, dominoes or mahmusa with shisha pipes or cigarettes in hand. The most popular card game is called Kankan, where players aim to lay down cards with more than 51 points. The higher the card, the greater the score. Above all, the most essential part of daily life here is chai. The strong brown tea, often with spices such as cardamom and cinnamon, or rose leaves, is more than just a drink. It's a ritual. A day without tea or chai is not a good day. No matter where I went, whether visiting friends or trekking in the mountains, chai was always there. I was amazed at how far people would go, even carrying heavy metal kettles and water on difficult hikes just to enjoy a cup of tea at the journey's end.
عفرين عافية